Welcome to BRWF, that means Be Researcher World Forum online training on how to become a researcher. We will call this course shortly HTBR, that means how to become a researcher. We will use this short name, and we will also promote on social medias, YouTube, using this hashtag. So you must be used to this short name, HTBR. So this is our orientation class. And today we'll going to introduce this course as well as some basics knowledge about research, and also what we will be doing in this course, that is the roadmap of this course, or how to become a researcher from the very beginning. That means those who are interested to become researcher, he or she has the interest but no idea how to become a researcher. So I will show the roadmap to be a researcher from the very beginning. So I am Mohammad Sabir Hussain. I will be working as a research person of this course. I am working as assistant professor at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology. And this course is organized by Be Researcher World Forum. This is the mother organization of Be Researcher BD, that is BRBD. So you will know more in future. So in today's lecture, what we are going to cover, at first we will know about this course in detail, because if you don't know what is going on this course and what will be covered and how it will be covered, how we will achieve the objective of this course. So we will discuss in details. Maybe it will take few more times or a few more time, but it will be helpful for you to understand about the roadmap, everything about this course. And I will introduce myself as well for more details, because you must know your instructor before learning from him, and you can know his strength, weakness, and also it will be create your enthusiasm more. And then we'll discuss what is research, why to do research. Then we will also discuss what are the opportunities waiting for researcher. Maybe some students from here come here by not understanding details about what are the opportunities for a researcher. So this session will clear the concept about the opportunities. And then we are in confusion, or we have some doubt that can I become a researcher? So we'll provide some motivation to research, paper writing, and publications. And at last, I will discuss the roadmap to be researcher, and also the required skills and qualities you must have, or you must achieve, or you must practice to become a good researcher. So at first, the course introduction. Here I will cover this part. So at first, about the organizer. So the Be Researcher World Forum is organizing this course. This is an online-based non-profit open platform directed by some world-class scholars, because we have a large number of advisory members, also team members, also we have campus research ambassadors from about 70 institutions. So we have a good number of people connected here, and we are tirelessly working to promote research, guide young researchers all over the world. And the name of Bangladeshi chapter of BRWF is Be Researcher BD. Initially, we started our journey with BRBD. Now we are starting our global journey to help the other people. So the name has changed now. The Be Researcher World Forum. Not the name changed. This will be the mother organization, and BRBD will be the Bangladeshi chapter. Likewise, my dream is to spread this organization all over the world. Maybe in someday this platform will be working on most of the countries. Like there will be chapter for Be Researcher Australia, Be Researcher USA, Be Researcher India, like this. Okay, so those who are actively participating on live class, you must join this related platform, like our channel, our group, or website and LinkedIn page, so to get updates on the courses or other activities. But who are following online, that is from YouTube, you are also invited to join this platform to know the updates activities of Be Researcher World Forum. So what is the mission and vision activities of Be Researcher World Forum? our mission is creating a research environment in Bangladesh, like it was collected from BRBD website, that is Bangladesh, but now we are working all over the world where anybody can pursue research. So we want to remove the fear of research. The second mission is to make prolific researchers contribute to sustainable development. No development is okay, good, still it is not sustainable. So we want to create or we want to prepare the researcher to contribute for all over the world, and to develop collaboration between the researchers and the enthusiasts, to motivate the students to securing higher study like master, PhD. Okay, and our vision is to leverage research in higher education institutions for sustainable development. And the activities we generally do, sharing research-related resources like books, papers, website, etc. And we conduct online, offline training on research, paper writing, higher study, and also we arrange seminars, workshops, or webinars. Also, we will start research collaboration and supervision. And also in future, we have planned to organize internship programs for the research enthusiast beginners to enhance their skill on research and paper writing.